CATIA V5, how to measure the mass of a part. So I have over here the following cital squeezer. So as we can see over here, there are multiple fillets. If I will go over here on measure inertia, I have the possibility to select that body. So if I will select this one, we're going to see that in this case, the density will be set to 7860. So I will need to swap the material. So keep in mind that even though I'm having this crisp orange material, if I'm going to change this to shading with material, this will also not change the properties of the mass in this case. So I need to go within the material. I have to go over here and I can search, for example, for plastic. And I can swap that. So I can drag and drop this. But if you also want to maintain that look, you can just go and within properties, you can go within analysis and you can swap over here the density. So let's say that I want this to be 1200. I'm going to click on apply. And now if I will check with measure inertia, I'm going to see that this will have 262 grams, in this case at the following density. So it is easier like this to just check the density of your final material, change it over here within CATIA, and then measure inertia will calculate the final mass based on that parameter. So keep in mind within properties, analysis, you can also change the type of material over here. So isotropic material, and you can change the density over here. Okay, so I hope you enjoy this kind of content. I'm gonna add a similar video over here on the left side, and I will also add a subscribe to the right. So that's it. Thanks for watching.